Welcome back, students. We are going to continue in Unit 8 with the vocabulary section. In your homework, it says to listen and read to the text, practice reading out loud, listen and practice saying the words in the word box, and then complete exercises B and C. All right, so listen and follow along in your book.
Vocabulary. Activity A. Listen to the audio and read along. Guess the meaning of the words in bold. What does it mean to be green? It means taking care of our environment, so we have a positive impact on the future. We don't all have to spend our weekends raising awareness about conservation or installing a solar heating system on our houses. There are simple things everyone can do. Maybe you can reduce the amount of plastic you use by bringing your own bags to the shop. Or you can get your car checked to make sure it isn't making too much pollution. A lot of neighborhoods have recycling programs for bottles, cans, and paper. Just get a recycling bin, make sure your trash ends up in the right bin, and you're on your way.
All right, very good. So, in your own time, you should read that out loud to yourself. Let's go to the word box. I'll play the audio, listen and repeat, and then I'll go through it a little more slowly.
Raise awareness. Bin. Conservation. End up. Environment. Green. Impact. Plastic. Pollution. Raise. Recycling. Temperature.
All right, she goes kind of fast, so if you need to, you can listen to that more than once. I'll go through it a little more slowly for you. So, this one, the first one, raise awareness. So, repeat with me, raise awareness. Bin, bin. Conservation, conservation. End up, end up. Environment, environment. Green, green. Impact, impact, impact. Plastic, plastic. Pollution, pollution. Raise, raise. Recycling, recycling. Temperature, temperature, temperature. All right, very good. Let's go to exercise B. It's the same as every week. Match these words to these meanings. Let's read through each one of these words first, repeat with me, and then we'll do the meanings as well. Temperature, conservation, recycling, raise awareness, pollution, impact, save something, collect old things to use them again. How hot something is. Tell people about something. The effect something has. Dirt and chemicals in the air. All right, very good. Let's work on this together now. So, temperature is how hot something is. Temperature is how hot something is. Conservation. Conservation is to save something. There you go. Conserve is to save something. Conservation is the act of saving something. Recycling. Recycling is collect old things to use again. Recycle. Raise awareness. Raising awareness is to tell people about something, to make them aware. To be aware is to know about something, and people don't know if you don't tell them. So raising awareness is telling people about something. And pollution, dirt and chemicals in the air. Dirt and chemicals in the air, as well as noise. Noise pollution is also something else when there's a lot of noise. Impact. The impact is the effect something has. So if something has a large impact, that means it affected something or someone in a very big way. There's section B. Let's go to section C. Complete these sentences using words from the box. All right, number 1. I joined a blank group that works to protect the environment. All right. I joined a, you could say, conservation group. You could say that. You could say a green group. It's a little iffy, but you could say that too. So I joined a conservation group. Number 2, the group put recycling blank all over the university. Recycling bins. A bin is something you use to collect it, almost like a garbage can, a box, a bin. So the group put recycling bins, B-I-N-S, all over the university. We want to help make it easy to recycle blank bottles, cans, and paper. So which one of these is a material? Plastic. We want to make it easy to recycle plastic bottles, cans, and paper. Number 4. We also want to blank about green living. We want to, you need a verb. You have raise, that's a verb, but raise what? Raise awareness. So we want, we also want to raise awareness about green living. So green is a color often associated with more natural or organic. So green living is more environmentally friendly. We're hoping to have a big blank on the amount of waste at the university. So they're collecting things to recycle. So to have a big effect is impact. We're hoping to have a big impact on the amount of waste at the university. And number 6, a lot of our trash blank in oceans, and this destroys the blank. So a lot of our trash ends up, E-N-D-S, ends up in oceans, and this destroys the environment. So a lot of our trash ends, E-N-D-S, up in oceans, and this destroys the environment. That's it for the vocabulary section. Thank you for following along.